Yesterday I woke my mom up at 5 a.m. because my tummy hurt. I refused to walk downstairs by myself, so I made her walk outside and into the dark, wet backyard where I yacked for 5 minutes. I then would not come back inside until I ate enough grass to yak yet again. We then went back upstairs and I got into bed and snuggled my vomity snout up onto her pillow. Later I would not eat my food. She was so worried that she added some pumpkin because she thought it would make me feel better. It did not. I threw up again a bunch of times all over the yard. Then I began yowling and barking at my own butt. I kept sitting down suddenly and then jumping up again to growl at my back legs. I followed her around the house and kept generally trying to snap at my own ass. My mom was so freaked out she took me to the emergency vet. After a long wait and some x-rays, the vet said I had gas and was just surprised by my own farts. My mom said something about $700 and took me home. Now I keep trying to eat my old pumpkin vomit from the yard.